Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this session, we will talk about a GeoDirectory add-on, which is GeoDirectory Custom Post, which allows you to create custom post types in GeoDirectory. So let's go through how we can use this GeoDirectory Custom Post add-on. First of all, we need to install and activate GeoDirectory Custom Post on our GeoDirectory website, as I have already done here. GeoDirectory Custom Post Types. So as soon as we activate this add-on, a post type tab is added to the GeoDirectory settings, where the default GeoDirectory post type GD place and all the custom post types you have created are listed. Here you get a post type interface where you can see all the post types, their names, their taxonomies, linked CPTs, images and orders. Here you get an add new button from where you can also create a new CPT according to your requirements. So let's first of all create a new CPT. Click on add new. As soon as we click on add new, our add new CPT page opens, where we get post type settings, author page, labels, classified and real estate, sold settings and linked post settings. We will also enable the hide settings option. First is our post type. We need to decide what name we want to add the post type under. So we add here cars. We have written the post type name as cars. We need to define our slug, car. If you look here, new post type, symptom 17 characters and order. Other, order in post type list. What order should we keep for this? So suppose I set it to 3, default image. This default image is the one that we need to add for our listing, so we can add it from here. We can select our CPT icon from here. Suppose settings. If we want to disable comments in this CPT, we need to enable this. If we don't want to use ratings in this CPT, if we don't want to use single reviews, if we don't want to use favorite features, if we don't want to use the disable from front end, the procedure to add from the front end, then we can disable all these options, right? Here we have the author page setting, whether our author post will be public or private, whether our author favorites will be public or private. Limit posts per user, meaning how many posts a user can create in this CPT, we can define that here. Here we have the label setting where it's name, singular name, add new item name, edit item, new item, view item, search item, not found in trash, listing owner. These are all our labels that work from the admin side. We can give them names here according to our preference. We can add the CPT description here in these meta fields. Next is our SEO override setting, in which I told you in the previous video that in general settings, titles and metas, these were the settings here. So if you don't add any settings here, it will get these settings by default. If you want to override this setting, meaning you want to keep your own separate settings regarding SEO, then you can add them here. Next is template page setting. Same template page setting. We told you in the previous video that the page setting that is added by default, if you want to override it and assign a separate template for this CPT, you can assign it from here. Enable sold, enable classified feature, meaning if you want to use the sale agreed, under sold settings here, you can select them from here. Linked post setting. If you want to link any field from here, you can do so. Clicked save changes here, which is telling you the name of the add new setting. So we will add it here, cars. Singular name is the same, add new car, add new item, add new car, right? So in this way, we can here edit car, new car, view car, search car, not found in trash, listing owner. We can leave it like this here. And then we have added a new CPT here. And you will see here a new CPT for car has been added here, which you can use. So this is how we can use it here. So if we want to add anything to this from the front end, how will we add it? We will show you that. Like we have a business CPT here. If we want to add some custom fields to this business CPT, we can add them here. For example, if our phone number field is missing, I have added phone. If the email field is missing, we have added email. Website. So we have added a few things here. So now we will go to our front end and click on business. So our business form has opened here, which is the add listing form for the business CPT. If you want to convert this form into a nice modern multi-step form, you can use our add-on GeoBuddy Multi-Step Form. So we will show you how you can use it. I have already activated this on my GeoDirectory website, and within the GeoBuddy plugin, there is a multi-step option here. You can configure the settings here to choose the type you want, progress bar or stepwise. All right. So when we activate this plugin, we get a field named step in the custom fields where you can add step 1 here. We will need to place this at the very top, right? Next, we will set up step 2. Now you can place this wherever you find it suitable. Next, the third is step 3. I have set this to step 3 here and saved it. So your form has now been converted into a multi-step form, right? So this is how you can convert your form into a multi-step form. You can purchase this add-on from our site WPGeoBuddy.com, which is available in single site, 5 site, and unlimited site licenses. You can also purchase our membership, which starts at $99 per year, in which you get this GeoBuddy multi-step form add-on plus our 9 plus other add-ons. Along with that, you also get all our future add-ons included in it. So do use it and share your feedback. Thank you for watching, and please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.